Hello and welcome back to the Chards Coin and Bullion Dealer YouTube channel. Today we're proud to announce our latest giveaway, and this one is very special. Well, we've teamed up with the legendary silversmith Silverpunk and Stackers Social to bring you something bold, rebellious and completely one of a kind. We're giving away this 1 kilo silver coin, personally punked by Silverpunk himself. And it's only available to Stackers Social members. This huge coin has a current intrinsic value of £925. A little bit about Stackers Social. Stackers Social was founded in 2023 as a humble Telegram group, founded by 3 passionate voices in the silver community. 365 Days of Silver, the Stat Collector, and Side the Soundman. What started as a small circle quickly evolved into a vibrant Discord community, and it is a space where creators and collectors share and inspire. We as a company have been involved with Stackers Social for a few months now, and the guys on there are absolutely great. So, on to the reason why you're all here. If you'd like to enter this giveaway, the steps are simple. Step 1, click the link in our description or the link that you see on screen now to join the Stackers Social Discord server. Once you've joined the Stackers Social Discord server, you'll see an exclusive giveaway tab on the left-hand side. Click this and there'll be a link within this room to sign up to our mailing list. Once you've joined Stackers Social and signed up for our mailing list, you'll be entered into the draw. The winner for the giveaway will be announced on Stackers Social on the 20th of August at 4 PM, and it will be randomly selected. And we will be sure to tag the winner. So, it's that easy and it's completely free. Good luck and thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for future giveaways and informative videos. See you again soon.